everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be giving you the secrets to looking healthy, looking beautiful, looking young, looking at your age, and also removing all of those blemishes on your face. Okay, so this is an amazing ingredient that works so well for your skin, and it also helps you glow. All right, so let's go. Let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Okay, let's go. Guys, let me show you guys my secret to looking really young and to having an even skin tone. Yeah, this is really going to blow your mind because this is actually going to be superb. Yep, so this is what I do, and this is papaya. We actually call it in this area pawpaw, but you can call it papaya. Okay, that is actually the botanical name of this. Yeah, so now pawpaw contains a lot of natural vitamins that helps to maintain the skin complexion. It helps to leave the skin looking really young, and it also helps to remove all blemishes. So what you're going to do is that you're going to grab a little portion of this papaya, and then you're going to remove the seed just like what I am doing right now. Now the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to also peel off the back, the peel. Now this is what we're going to be using, yeah? And since I can't reach my blender right now, I will just easily create it. I'm just going to be creating it just like this. Now you don't necessarily have to create it with me. You can blend yours because it's actually much more easier to blend. You're going to get a paste when you blend. Okay, when I'm done creating, I'm going to be transferring it into a bowl, and then I'll have to be mashing it. Okay, so this is perfect. So the next ingredient we're going to be needing is avocado. Okay, now the vitamin E in avocado helps to leave the skin really smooth. It helps to make the skin really young, and it also helps to retain the moisture onto your skin. It will help to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles because of its nature, and the lactic acid in it helps to increase your skin elasticity by giving you that youthful complexion, youthful look. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be opening it up. And I'll have to remove the seed. Alright, so now I would have to grab my small mortar and remove all of the goodness of this avocado in here. Like to smash it. I would have blended it, but I don't have a small blender right now. So I'll just mash it like this, and then I'll be turning in the avocado in here and just mashing it together. So you can actually just blend all of these things, okay, rather than doing it the way I'm doing. So after which I've blended it all up together, then I'll pour it into the bowl. And then mix it. Now to have this really effective, we're gonna be needing to use olive oil. Now using olive oil on the skin helps to maintain a glow. It helps to smoothen out your skin, and it also helps to reduce the sizes of fine lines and wrinkles, and it makes your skin super duper smooth. I'm gonna be putting in 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now you have to use organic olive oil for this, and you put it and stir it all up. Now the next ingredient, which is very important and helpful, is milk. Now milk also contains the lactic acid, vitamin E, and vitamin C and A, which helps for the skin. The skin requires all of those vitamins to glow. Now to get rid of fine lines and age spots, you need to add into this ingredients to elevate the skin and to make it smooth. So I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons or thereabouts. Yeah, so you can actually just pour this in, guys, but I love to measure up my stuff. That is why I love to use 1 tablespoon or 2. So after that is added, then I would stir, and this is great. Yeah, to make this more effective, I'm gonna be needing lemon. Lemon is citric in nature, and it contains vitamin C. It is great for the skin. It lightens up the skin, it helps to remove age-related problems, and it also helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm actually gonna be opening this up. Then I'll have to sieve it in. I'll be sieving half of this into this treatment. So after adding all of that, then we would have to stir. So for this ingredient, you can actually apply it at least 2 times in a week to get a great and utmost result, and your result is going to be really perfect and really visible. Yeah, okay guys, so this is the ingredients, and I put it inside the refrigerator for some time, and now I will have to be mixing it really well before applying it. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be using a brush, and I'm going to be applying this. You have to apply it generously, and whoops, the avocado in it is awesome. Yeah, and this is gonna be like, this is gonna give you that feel, that glow, that overnight wonders. It's not just gonna take away all of the blemishes on your face overnight, okay, but it's just going to work for you immediately you apply it. That's what I mean. Yeah, it's gonna start working really fine for you immediately you apply it. Okay, so after which you've generously applied this, then you are going to give it a good stir. Sorry, did I say good stir? A good scrub, and it feels really soft on my skin right now. Really soft and tender. Alright, look at this, look at that, really soft, and this has actually been helping me so well. Oops. Okay, so it's not actually a remedy that you have to, leave on your skin for it to dry, because this is not going to dry. So after you've applied it, then you can, after you've massage, then you can apply just a little coat more. Okay, so that when you wait for it to get into your skin, a good amount of it is just going to get into your skin and do the job for you. Okay. Okay, so for this ingredient, you can actually apply it at most 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week, and it's actually going to leave your skin looking supple, and I'm loving it because it's going to just penetrate into your skin and actually makes it work really fine. Yeah, so 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, glow your skin, make your skin look beautiful, like it feels really soft. Like, try this and you're going to be loving it. I am so sure about this. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Look amazing, look lavishing, look really smooth and shiny. Okay, this is going to transform your skin for good. All right, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Stay flawless. Bye.